Breakfast instructions. Breakfast begins at 7:10 a.m. Students eating breakfast should report to the cafeteria. Students eating breakfast must stay in the cafeteria until 7:25 a.m. Students should eat breakfast as soon as they arrive to the building. Do not stop to go to your locker or to the gym first. Students who are late due to breakfast will have a pass to their first block class. Students who do not have a pass from breakfast will be counted tardy to their first class. Students with a pass will have 14 minutes to eat breakfast and to get to their first block. Food should be consumed in the cafeteria only. Students will not be allowed to take food out of the cafeteria.